Hello students, and I believe many students were also wondering how to download my scorecard, right? It's very simple, very simple. Simply you go to the CMAT website www.cmat.nta.nic.in. When you click on that and you want to go to the website, you will see a icon where it says CMAT 2023 download scorecard. Just click on that. When you click on that, a screen will pop up which will ask for your number, seat number, whichever is your ID number, which admit card on your admit card you have that number. Just put that number, your date of birth, okay, and there will be one security pin which you have to key in. Just key in that security pin and just click it, and there goes your scorecard pops up, okay, and you got your score. Wow, congratulations. Now the next step is how relevant is my CMAT score for my admission into management programs, right? Now here we go. How useful it is for getting admission to a management program. Now in Maharashtra, there are typical MBA program, MMS program, PGDM program. Now in MMS program, the 85% of the seats are reserved for CET candidates, and only 15% seats are available for all India candidates with all India score. Okay, besides MET CMAT, GMAT, ZAT, that is acceptable. But then window is very small, only 15%. 85% major chunk for MMS and MBA program goes to MET candidate. So CMAT student should look out for a PGDM program where there is no such reservation for any entrance score. All the scores are acceptable. MET Institute of PGDM is one of the listed premium institute listed on the CMAT portal. You will see where we accept the CMAT score, and you can apply here based on your CMAT score for your admissions.